Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to sign up for the Zoom application where you can conduct video conference and online meetings with up to 100 people. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for our helpful web contents and tutorials. So moving on to today's video. To sign up for the Zoom, you have to have the Zoom application installed in your device. Open your Zoom application. So before joining a meeting, you should have an account in the Zoom. So for that, you have to sign up. So at the bottom, tap on the sign up button. So you require verification. So you have to enter your date of birth. So enter your date of birth over here. After setting your date of birth, now it will connect you to the sign up page where you require an email address and then your first name and last name. So enter your email address that you have used. Now enter your first name and last name. Therefore, by signing up, you also agree to the privacy service and terms of service of the Zoom. So tap on the blue sign up button. Therefore, there is the sign up process going on, and you will also receive an email from Zoom in the email address that you just entered. So go to your email address in your Gmail or whatever you entered and check your spam folder, then verify it from there. So here you have in your email address the Zoom email. You have to tap on activate account button and open it in a browser. So here you have to choose, are you signing up on behalf of a school? If yes, then tap yes, otherwise no, and then continue. Now, the final process in signing up for the account information in Zoom, you also need to enter a password so that you can log in with it. So enter a strong password over here in this box, and you also must read what your password must contain: at least 8 characters, 1 letter, at least 1 number, and include both uppercase and lowercase character. So enter the password in such a way. So when your password is entered and all these password essentials turn green, you can confirm the password by re-entering your password, and therefore tap on the continue button to continue the sign up process of Zoom. And now you can invite your colleagues that you want to add in your Zoom cloud meeting, and you also have to perform the reCAPTCHA for privacy terms. You can also skip this step for now. And finally, your account has been created in the Zoom application, so you can start the meeting with your group. You can tap on start meeting now if you want to start a meeting, or go to your account. Therefore, in this way, you have signed up for the Zoom application, and then you can continue to use it for your online meetings and video conferences. I hope this video was very helpful to you guys in learning how to sign up for the Zoom application account. Thank you for watching our video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming videos. If you have any question or comments, you can ask us in the comment section.